Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a picture fit the whole page in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to make a picture fit whole page. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and choose the picture option. Then click this device. Now I am select the image and click insert. Then select the image and resize in the whole page. Now we can see we make a picture resize in whole page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.